In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Data Studio with Google Sheets. This powerful combination allows you to turn your data into informative, easy to read, easy to share, and fully customizable reports and dashboards. Whether you're a small business owner tracking sales, a teacher analyzing student performance, or just curious about data visualization, this tutorial is for you. First off, let's get started by navigating to Looker Studio, which is the new name for Google Data Studio. This is the place where all the magic happens, allowing you to visualize your data in ways that spreadsheets alone just can't match. Once you're there, you might take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's quite user-friendly, but definitely packed with features. Now, directly onto the meat of the process. Your first action within Looker Studio will be to click on Report. This is your gateway to creating new reports from scratch or using the wide variety of templates available. Clicking on Report essentially means you're starting a new project, a blank canvas if you will, ready for you to bring your data to life. The next step is crucial, connecting your Google Sheets as a data source. Look for the Google Sheets option. This step is where Google Data Studio starts to show its strength in integration with other Google services. By choosing Google Sheets, you're linking to the vast amount of data you might already have stored in spreadsheets, making it accessible for visualization. Whether it's sales figures, website analytics, or survey data, if it's in Google Sheets, it can be visualized in Looker Studio. After selecting Google Sheets, it's time to connect data to the report. This operation is where you physically link the specific spreadsheet you want to use. You might have multiple sheets within a single document or various tabs. This step allows you to specify exactly which data you want to pull into your report. It's important to ensure that your Google Sheets document is well organized and that you have a clear understanding of which data you intend to visualize. This organization will help you tremendously during the visualization process. Having successfully connected your data, you'll then move on to clicking on Data Report. This step is where you begin to see the framework of your report forming. You can start to play around with the layout, add different charts, graphs, and controls. Google Data Studio offers a comprehensive set of visualization tools, allowing you to transform your raw data into something much more accessible and understandable. This is where you'll spend a significant amount of time tweaking and adjusting to get everything just right. Finally, to really bring your report to life, you'll click on Add. This action is where you add new components to your report, be it charts, text, images, or filters. Each element you add can be customized in terms of data range, appearance, and interactivity. This flexibility allows you to cover the data that matters most in a way that's most insightful for you or your audience. Whether you need a simple bar chart or a complex scatter plot with trend lines, this is the step where your report truly becomes your own. Throughout the entire process, remember that visualization is as much an art as it is a science. The goal is not just to show data, but to tell a story with it. That story could be the growth of your business, the success of your marketing campaigns, or the feedback from your customers. Whatever the case, Google Data Studio and Google Sheets together offer you a powerful way to tell that story. A couple of pro tips to enhance your experience and outcome. First, always make sure your data in Google Sheets is clean and well organized. This preparation will save you a lot of time and hassle when visualizing the data. Second, don't forget to explore the various customization options in Google Data Studio. The more you play around with it, the better you'll become at crafting insightful and beautiful reports. Wrapping up, using Google Data Studio with Google Sheets is a fantastic way to take your data visualizations to the next level, so go ahead, give it a try, and unlock the full potential of your data. Whether for business, education, or personal projects, mastering these tools can provide valuable insights and make data-driven decisions easier than ever. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on harnessing the power of your data. Happy reporting.